Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish, very pretty and easy to make a very stylish collection of hand embroidered face mask designs. Yes friends, from my today's video you will get a very creative, stylish and amazing design ideas of face masks, and from this video collection you will be able to see 100 plus amazing, latest, trendy and easy to make design ideas. Friends, why I am again and again enhancing on the word easy? Because this video collection of hand embroidery design patterns specifically designed for face masks is favorable to make for hand embroidery beginners, the persons who have just started and they do not know much about the art of hand embroidery and they just only know about 2 to 3 hand embroidery stitches. Then friends, there is no need to worry about it because these are very easy patterns and they are only based on 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, my friends. Like this, the ones who are very initiators, very at the initial levels, beginners, I would recommend them to start with lazy daisy stitch for small flowers and satin stitch for some fillers and French knot for dotted fillings. So friends, you can make these patterns from machine embroideries as well, and different machine embroideries could be used for the making of these masks, like hand operated machine embroidery or digital machine embroidery or automated machine embroideries, as much as you want or require as per your requirements. And friends, these masks are exactly and they are perfectly suitable for every age group, like they are for youngster, teenagers and even for children. Some funky, attractive and eye-catching designs are basically designed for the younger ones, and some decent delicate like light colors, aqua, sky color, pink, white, off-white, beige, skin shades are very suitable for decent and older persons, older age persons. So very beautifully designed denim pattern based masks have been designed. Friends, the purpose of this collection is to share some creative and easy latest funky design ideas with you, because all of these mask designs are purely made on soft cotton fabric, linen, soft denim stuff. Friends, as you know that COVID-19 is a pandemic and dangerous situation and it has affected the whole human community badly. So in these bad times, it's our duty and our first and foremost task to take care of ourselves, because health comes prior than anything else in this world. Not only the protection of COVID-19, but these masks are suitable and favorable for protection from many other problems, like some acute breathing problems, some minor initial stage asthmatic issues like pollen allergies, suntan, sunburns, skin protection, and much more related to small acute health issues. So friends, I again suggest you and request you to kindly do try these patterns if you are fed up of staying at home and only wasting your time by sitting idle, and you haven't utilized your free time or idle time by doing some sort of beautiful or attractive eye-catching activity. Then friends, go for these design patterns. Now friends, listen to me very carefully, because now I am sharing the most important thing and the most essential part of our video, that how you can use these very pretty and easy to make hand embroidery face mask patterns into number of ways to maximize your benefits, to maximize your designing capabilities, your styling ideas. Yes friends, you can use them in a number of ways. I will enlist them one by one, and I hope that you would like my suggestions and surely you would enjoy all of them as well. So friends, first of all, you can use these very beautiful hand embroidery patterns for designing DIY type stylish fashionable accessories. Like you can make this pattern onto your mobile covers, you can make these patterns onto your glasses covers, you can make these very beautiful and easy to make patterns onto your handbags that are made up of leather material, denim material, or some other sort of fabric material. Then you can use these very beautiful patterns onto your handmade, hand knitted, or leather fabricated material shoes, footwear. Now if we talk about the dress designing, then where you can use these beautiful patterns for dress designing, you can use these beautiful hand embroidery face mask patterns into a number of ways. Now I will enlist them one by one. Firstly, you can use these to make an all over spray of flower beautiful floral pattern to design your short length, long length, medium length kurti, to design your salwar kameez suits that are traditionally worn by Indian and Pakistani regions, by Punjabis. Okay, you can use these very beautiful easy floral patterns and funky fruits nature inspired patterns onto your hand knitted, handmade, crochet made woolen materials like cardigans, sweaters, ponchos, long coats, short coats, high necks, round necks, blended shirts onto your hand knitted, even gloves, hand knitted head warmers, neck warmers, scarves, stalls. So friends, now we will discuss that how you can use these very beautiful pretty floral patterns for designing of your home accessories. You can make these patterns onto your table covers, onto your glass covers, kettle covers, chair covers, coffee tables, iron stand covers, and much more related to your home stuff like cushion covers, pillow covers, even as all over spray onto your bed sheets. So friends, I hope that my today's video was useful for you and you have got very amazing, stylish and trendy ideas that how you can design one hand embroidery pattern in different ways, in a number of ways, to maximize the use of one single patterns into many different dimensions. So kindly with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end, and if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the first time, then friends, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now, comment below, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below, and like and subscribe and share my content massively with your friends and family, and we will soon be back with you along with some new designing, stylish, trendy patterns and much more. Up till then, take care of yourselves, spread positivity and be a cause of positive motivation for others. Help your loved ones to achieve their goals.